Alright, so the PLC is set up to send analog out. So it's going to come out of this red wire. This is our analog out. It's coming out. It's going to our analog input through the resistor for the analog input. It's coming out. Now it's going to go into our meter. So it's going into the meter. It's coming out of the meter and then back in to the analog out, because it's a current signal, we need a complete signal. So it's coming out the red into the digital in, into the PLC, to the digital input card channel 0. It's coming out the ground of the digital card. So it's coming out of the negative of the digital input, or the analog input card, into the positive of the meter. So it's coming up into the meter, coming out of the meter, and returning back into the negative of the analog out card. So we've got the switch set up. This is a 4-selector switch, and it's set up to output 4 different values. So you can see the meter here. We're at the lowest value, which is 4,000. It's just an integer value of 4,000. And then we go to 8,000, so we double that. We go to 16,000, we double that, so we're at 10 milliamps out. And we double that to 32,000, and we're at our 20 milliamps. So 20 milliamps is 32,000 bits. Half of that is 16,000, which is 10 milliamps. Half of that is 5 milliamps, and half of that is 2.5 milliamps.